We just got back from setting up our baby zone in this new exhibit. Don't want to disclose the name of the museum, but they have their opening in about 2 weeks, and they still got a lot of work to do. The design team that's in charge of this, most of the structure's already up. They just need to, do some finishing touches. And as you can see later on in the video, they still have to, put together, I guess, the whole technology side of things, make sure everything works. But it just amazes me how all this comes together. And yeah, a whole team is putting this together right now as we speak. Yeah, we're just blessed to be a part of it.